Hi, I'm Ed from Wright. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Wright Stander Intensity. The Stander Intensity is our most compact floating deck stand-on mower. So by that, I mean that it's lightweight. I think this particular machine, you check the weight, it's 730 pounds. So that's pretty light for a full commercial machine. It also comes in a 48 and 52 inch deck version, which is still a very short and lightweight machine. So you get a lot of productivity in a compact package. It's really good for smaller properties, but it can also take on mid-sized properties very productively. So here we have the instrument panel, we have the choke, throttle, PTO switch, the key switch, and the hour meter. It also has an integrated parking brake. So by what I'm interlocking parking brake. So by that, I mean when you put on the parking brake, your controls are locked out, so you can't drive away when the brake is on. That's a mechanical interlock, and it's much more intuitive to you. You don't have kill switches or whatnot trying to kill the engine if you try to go with the brake on. So that's nice. The deck lift is a push button style deck lift system, so when you push this button, it's very easy to float. I'm lifting it with one finger here. You can easily get over an obstacle or lift it to go over a curb. And then it has this, we call it a memory pin. So it's a little key type pin, and that's your stop, so you can always come back to your same cut height every time. Coming around this side, it comes with the rubber chute deflector. This is very durable against gates, objects like that. It does fold up within the machine, so you can get through a gate 36-inch opening when this is up. Like a lot of our machines, this is a service-free mower. So this sealed housing here has a spring washer in it, retaining tension throughout the life of it. The wheel bearing is a sealed ball bearing setup. It has a guard here to protect debris from wrapping around the axle. The deck lift itself, this is a stainless steel shaft, and it is in a high-tech bearing there that has graphite impregnated in it. So that's very durable and lasts a long time without regular service. And coming around this side, we'll take the deck cover off and point out some of the features on the side of the deck. So this is a 36. The 36 has a single belt. The belt goes straight from the engine to the chute side spindle, so there's no tight side, backside idler also on this machine. It's a B section belt. This is a very heavy duty drive with a heavy duty pulley. This pulley has a shielded bearing so that if you wash your machine, it won't take any water into the bearing. The deck, this is a 36-inch AeroCore deck. It shares features with some of the other AeroCore decks, but with this particular deck, the front edge is slanted here, so you don't have any, if you hit an object, it won't be a blunt impact, it'll be kind of a glazing impact. Coming around the side here, we have this guide plate, we call it. What this guide plate does is when grass comes to the front of the deck, the grass is forced to go inside the housing rather than a rounded deck where the grass might come around the side of the housing and not get cut as well as it could. We also have these tapered surfaces here. These tapered surfaces add a lot of vacuum to the edge here. So as you're mowing, grass will actually get pulled in tight, and when you're trimming up near the side of a house or fence, the more grass you're able to get pulled in and cut here, the less trimming you need to do, and that will make you more productive. Underneath the back of the deck, there's a skid plate here, so if you come over a berm or something like that, it's very well protected. These are the push arms for the deck. This helps keep the deck firmly in line. Coming up here, there's a small little bin here for small tools or gloves. Like most of our mowers, battery lid you can take off without any tools, so it's very easy to jump start the machine without needing to pull out any other equipment. So then we'll go underneath the pad here. Once you flip this up, it's very easy to service this machine. Like a lot of our machines, we have a control linkage style controls. These control hinges here hinge up and down as the deck moves up and down, and they rotate as you control the machine forward and backwards. And that provides a good solid control and feedback to the operator even as the machine wears over time. This is the hydro reservoir. It takes a 15W50 Mobil 1 synthetic oil. That's one of the best oils for a hydro system. With the sight glass, you can see that your full oil level should be right at or slightly above this sight glass. And then coming down to the pumps, we have 10 cc pumps and 12 cubic inch wheel motors, so this is a pretty high flow rate system for the size machine. And then on the front, we also have an oil cooler in the front of the instrument panel to keep the hydro system cool. The cooler the system, the longer it lasts. This hydro system gives the machine a top speed of 8.5 miles an hour. So when we remove this shield, you can see underneath here it's very easy to service the belt, or whether it's the control arms, cleaning debris out. This platform here has holes in the front, so grass can fall out that might collect in there. It's a suspension platform. It has these elastomer springs in the bottom, which provide a progressive rate and also damp the ride so it doesn't spring back too much. These springs here are the return springs. We have a safety switch built into the platform. By putting the safety switch in the platform, we eliminate the need to have an operator present switch in the controls. Coming back here where this tip wheel is, we have tie down hooks. You can either lay a strap across this surface here, or you can hook into this hole. Also in the front, we missed that, but there's a tie down loop on the front corner of the caster frame as well, tie down the machine. The tires on this machine, the fronts are 11 by 4 flat free tires, and the rear tires are 18 by 850 pneumatic tires. So that's a quick overview of the Wright Stander Intensity.